Hello, children. Good day. Today, we are going to have our first lesson in Health 6. But before that, I am going to ask you some questions. What will you do to have a good health? What activities or practices are you doing every day to obtain good health or maintain good health? Children, do you know that being overweight is a disease? How can we avoid this health issue? Today, class, we are going to talk about personal health issues and concerns. Personal health issues, also referred to as protected health information, generally refers to demographic information, medical history, test, and laboratory results, insurance information, and other data that a healthcare professional collects to identify an individual and determine appropriate care. Stunted growth. Stunted growth is a reduced growth rate in human development. It is a primary manifestation of malnutrition, or more precisely, undernutrition, and recurrent infections such as diarrhea and helminthiasis in early childhood and even before birth, due to malnutrition during fetal development brought on by a malnourished mother. Gigantism. What is gigantism? Gigantism is a rare condition that causes abnormal growth in children. This change is most notable in terms of height, but girth is affected as well. It occurs when your child's pituitary gland makes too much growth hormone, which is also known as somatotropin. Dwarfism. What is dwarfism? It is a condition of short stature. It is defined by the advocacy group Little People of America, or LPA, as an adult height of 4 feet 10 inches or under as a result of a medical or genetic condition. Although other groups of may extend the criteria for certain forms of dwarfism to 5 feet. The average height of an adult with dwarfism is 4 feet. Weight. Overweight and obesity are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that presents a risk to health. Obesity means having too much body fat. It is not the same as overweight, which means weighing too much. A person may be overweight from extra muscle, bone, or water, as well as too much fat, but both terms mean that someone's weight is higher than what is thought to be healthy for their height. Underweight is a term describing a person whose body weight is considered too low to be healthy. Impacted cerumen. Earwax builds up in the ear and blocks the ear canal. Can cause temporary hearing loss and ear pain. Swimmer's ear, an infection of the ear canal caused by many types of bacteria and fungi. Otitis media is a group of inflammatory diseases of the middle ear. The two main types are acute otitis media or AOM and otitis media with effusion OME. AOM is an infection of abrupt onset that usually presents with ear pain. In young children, this may result in pulling at the ear, increased crying, and poor sleep. Decreased eating and a fever may also be present. OME is typically not associated with symptoms. Occasionally, a feeling of fullness is described. It is defined as the presence of non infectious fluid in the middle ear for more than 3 months. Vision. Astigmatism causes blurred vision. It occurs when the cornea is irregularly shaped, or sometimes because of the curvature of the lens inside the eye. Myopia or nearsightedness. Myopia, a refractive error. The eye does not bend or refract light properly to a single focus. Hyperopia, farsightedness, also known as long-sightedness and hyperopia, is a condition of the eye in which light is focused behind instead of on the retina. This causes close objects to be blurry, while far objects may appear normal. Xerophthalmia is a medical condition in which the eye fails to produce tears. It may be caused by vitamin A deficiency, which is sometimes caused to describe that condition, although there may be other causes. Strabismus, also called crossed eyes, is a condition in which the eyes do not properly align with each other when looking at one object. Blurred vision refers to eye movement control and eye coordination, something that is hazy and indistinct to the sight. Dandruff, a condition of the scalp that causes flakes of skin to appear and often accompanied by itching. Ingrown toenail occurs when the edges of corners of the toenails grow into the skin next to the nail. Sunburn is a form of radiation burn that affects living tissue such as skin that results from an overexposure to ultraviolet or UV radiation, commonly from the sun. Corns, an ingrowing callus often on the foot. Blisters is a small packet of body fluid, lymph serum, plasma, blood, or pus within the upper layers of the skin, typically caused by forceful rubbing, friction, burning, freezing, chemical exposure, or infection. Spine disorders. Scoliosis, a sideways curvature of the spine. Lordosis, excessive inward curve of the spine. Kyphosis, an exaggerated forward rounding of the back. Oral or dental problems. Cavities, a hole that forms in your teeth. Halitosis, bad breath. Gingivitis, inflammation of the gum tissue, is a non destructive disease that occurs around the teeth. Periodontitis, also known as a gum disease and pyorrhea, is a set of inflammatory diseases affecting the tissues surrounding the teeth. Malocclusion, a misalignment or incorrect relation between the teeth of the two dental arches when they approach each other as jaws close. Thank you. Till next. Have a nice day.